Good day, everyone. I am Miss Marjorie Zabate, and I will going to discuss about rational equation. But before that, I want you to answer this activity. Tell whether each expression is rational or not. Answer it in 3 minutes. Okay, time's up. So we have here the answers. Number 1, rational. Number 2, rational. Number 3, not. Number 4, rational. Number 5, not. Our activity a while ago is related to our topic for this day, which is rational equation. So what is rational equation? Rational equations are equations containing rational expressions. And what is rational expressions? Rational expressions are expressions that is a quotient of two expressions. When we say quotient, it means division. So when we say division, it means the denominator cannot be equal to 0. Why? If the denominator is equal to 0, then the said rational expression is undefined. Okay, how to solve rational equation? So, we can solve rational equation by following the steps in solving rational expressions. Example number 1. So, let's solve 3/4 is equal to x over 4. The answer is x equals 3. Why? Because these two rational expressions are equivalent. So meaning, when you say equivalent, they have the same denominator. If they have the same denominator, then you can simply find the value of your x because, okay, you have here 12 for x through cross multiplication. And we are going to divide both sides by 4 or multiply both sides by 1/4. Then the answer will be x equals 3. As easy as that. Okay, let's go to example number 2. Example number 2. Solve the equation x plus 2 over 8 equals 3/4. So in solving this given equation, we can use two methods. First method will be the LCD. In this method, we are going to find its LCD. What is LCD? LCD is the less common denominator. Okay, so the denominator here, the denominators are 8 and 4. So what is the LCD of 8 and 4? The LCD of 8 and 4 is 8. Since we have already our LCD, so we will going to multiply the LCD, which is 8, to both sides. Okay, here on the left side, the answer will be x plus 2 equals, here, 3 times 8 equals 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Now, what we will going to do? So, let's use the additive property of equality. So, it will become x equals 6 minus 2. So the answer is x equals 4. So that is the LCD method. The second method, we can solve this through cross multiplication. So what we have here, x plus 2 over 8 equals 3 4. So in cross multiplication, from the word cross, so we're going to multiply it. Cross by crossing, cross multiplication. So we have here x plus 2 times 4. So we have 4 times x plus 2 equals 8 times 3 equals 24. Now, after that, we will going to distribute 4 to the number inside the parentheses. So we have here 4 times x equals 4x plus 8 equals 24. Next, we will going to apply the additive inverse. We will make sure to isolate. So we're going to apply the additive inverse of equality. So we have here 4x equals 24 minus 8. Okay, after that, okay, let's copy 4x. 24 minus 8 is equal to 16. Okay, again, find a way naman within the x to isolate x. So we were going to divide both sides by 4 or multiply both sides by 1/4. So the answer will be x equals 4. So same as the method 1. Class, we can relate or reflect from our topic to our life. So rational person means to think clearly and sound judgment. Rational first people do not allow emotionalism and bias to cloud their decisions and actions. Instead, they consider that facts objectively and do what is best for all concerned. So always remember, being a rational person doesn't mean to have the decision um, directly. So you need to think it first. Okay, here our assessment, followed by our